Hello friends, glad to see you again and welcome back to our channel. Kitchen cabinet is one of important things that will be a useful place to store a lot of tools in your kitchen. It may not be easy for you to choose the best kitchen cabinet. Whether you want to upgrade a few things or work on a complete remodeling project, the tips we are going to share with you will be quite useful for you to choose the best kitchen cabinet for your kitchen. Number 1. Opt for a cabinet door profile. In any kitchen, cabinet doors are the most important elements. Therefore, make sure you consider some important things when deciding on the door style. If you want to narrow down your options, you may think about your profile first. Based on your personal preferences, you may consider a cabinet door that gives a traditional feel. Alternatively, you can go for modern options as well. Number 2. Narrow down your choices. Your next step is to consider your style. Based on your budget, you can easily narrow down your choices. It is much better to go to the store to check out different samples and capture photos of the style you like. After you are back home, you can take a closer look at the photos and get rid of the ones you don't like at all. Number 3. Find out about your wood color and type. All of us have our favorite colors and types as far as wood is concerned. If you have no idea about different types of wood, we suggest that you get in touch with a good kitchen designer. Some people go for bright colors when choosing for white cabinet doors. They will make a difference in your kitchen. Once you have decided on the finish and style for your kitchen cabinets, your next move is to consider the function of your kitchen. Since you are the cleaner, baker, and chef at the same time, you know very well what can work best. Number 4. Consider the beauty and function. When opting for new cabinets, you have a lot of choices at your disposal. For instance, you may choose to have drawers under your countertops instead of the shelves. Once you have decided on the style, you can add personality to your kitchen cabinets. For example, you can add textured or decorative glass doors. Ideally, the cabinets you choose should be easy to close and open. Some safety cabinets come with a self-closing mechanism, so your kids won't be slamming the doors anymore as the doors will close automatically, so this is a great feature to have. Number 5. Be organized. It is very important that you have an organized kitchen. You may also want to consider the way you use your kitchen and how it works.